Hello everyone, my name is Viviana Arbeláez and I am here to present a web tool. The web tool is Wix. This tool is basically to create web pages. This is the introduction page. It says that you can create a web page and it has a lot of things. It's easy to edit. You can match it with any mobile gadget. The hosting is free. You can personalize the web page in the way you want. So I'm gonna show you something I did here. This is the web page that I started creating to show you some examples. What you go to Google, you look for Wix, you register. I register with my Google account, and then you start creating the page. It's really easy to use. So as you can see here, you can edit the place. You can see it before you publish it. You can choose your name, the name of your web page, duplicate the page. If you're not happy with the product, you just delete the place and you create a new one. Here is something else I did. So some examples. You might decorate the place. You may personalize the page. Actually, you can include pictures and videos, and actually you can add a divider, add something from your gallery. You can allow people to make comments on your blog, and here you go. Let's go back here. I'm sorry, here. So the decoration, you can also administer the place. So these are all the things that you can do about the place. But if you want to edit more, but you come here, you edit even other things. The place is very easy to use. I found it pretty helpful and nice. You just click on edit design, and it has many functions. Even though it's basically to create web pages, and originally it was created to advertise some kind of business, I think that we can use it for teaching purposes, and it's up to your creativity. You may use it especially for developing the writing skill. Instead of doing a poster in class, well, I think it's more fun if you ask your students to go to the computer lab that you have, or just to assign it as a homework to create this kind of advertisement or a campaign, and they can use it first for writing and then for speaking, presenting something. But as I showed you before, you can also upload videos, which it means that you can also evaluate speaking, ask them to upload their own videos there. And my slogan is teaching through internet is cool, because I really think it is. So basically, this is what you find here in this place. You can select the page, add another page, find applications. Here is the design, so you can choose the themes, the colors, the type of letters and animation, and you can also choose a lot of pictures from the website, or you can upload your pictures, as you saw my picture before. I showed you that I uploaded my picture, and with those icons you can do a lot of things. So yeah, basically that's it. You can use it for writing, also for reading, because one student writes and makes the blog, and then the web page, and then some other student needs to read, and they should report, and it's up to your creativity, but they may really have fun with this application. I highly recommend it. But thank you for watching.